Okay, let's have a look at the answers to these puzzles. First, let's tackle the easy one.
Black to play and mate in 1. The knight attacks g1, so the white king is stuck. We need to find a way to give check. Can you spot the winning move? This pawn can give check by taking the white rook, and it will be defended by the bishop. Medium puzzle now. Black to move and mate in 2. Computer, light up the squares please. Thank you. Are any of these squares safe for the white king? The bishop and knight have the second rank covered, so h1 is the only safe square. What is black's plan going to be? Black's queen could join in the attack, once the bishop is out of the way, but where is the best place to move it? Here is the best place, because now black has 2 checkmate choices for the queen, and white can't stop them both. White can take the knight, or the bishop, but not both. Hard puzzle now, and usually a knight can't give checkmate, but if your opponent has a pawn, then sometimes you can. Black wants to get the king out of the way of the pawn, so the pawn can get to the end of the board and become a queen. So white's first job is to stop this from happening. Like this. Now there's only one move black can play. In fact, if white leaves the king on c2, then the black king will never be able to get out of the pawn's way, and white will get at least a draw, even if the checkmate plan remains a mystery. White moves the knight closer, and now black has 2 choices. Black must move a piece to a2, but should it be the king or the pawn? If black moves the pawn, then white's job is easy, so black will move the king. If white moves the knight here now, then, well, can you see the problem? That's right, it would be stalemate. White has to find a way to force black to move the pawn forward. Well done if you manage to spot it. Again, black has to move the king into the corner. Can you spot how to force black to move the pawn? Both of these knight moves force black to move the pawn, but only one of them will win the game. This is the winning move. The pawn must move forward, and now the knight can finish its journey.